Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Experian affiliate program for credit monitoring signups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Experian affiliate program and hit enter. Look for the official Experian affiliate program website in the search results. Click on the link to head to the home page. Once on the home page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your credentials. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, double-check for accuracy. After verifying your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login information. If everything is correct, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access tools for credit monitoring signups. Explore the various options and resources available to you as an affiliate. If you encounter any issues, check for any error messages on the screen. Consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the affiliate program interface. Now you are ready to start promoting Experian for credit monitoring signups. Follow the provided guidelines to maximize your success as an affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.